Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The TCL 75-inch Q65 QLED 4K Smart TV with Fire TV, specifically the 2024 model paired with the S55HS Class 2.1 channel soundbar, represents a comprehensive approach to modern home entertainment. This bundle seeks to address the two primary pillars of the theater experience, which are expansive visual fidelity and dedicated audio output. By combining a large format quantum dot display with a separate sound system that supports spatial audio formats like Dolby Atmos, the package aims to provide a singular solution for a living room or media space upgrade. At its core, the television is part of the Q65 series, which utilizes quantum dot technology to enhance color performance and brightness. This is a significant step up from standard liquid crystal displays because it introduces a layer of light-emitting nanocrystals that react to the backlight to produce more precise and saturated hues. When paired with the S55H soundbar, the setup moves beyond the typical limitations of thin chassis television speakers, offering a dedicated 2.1 channel configuration designed to create a more immersive acoustic environment. This combination is priced at approximately $650 at the time of writing, positioning it as an accessible entry point for those looking to secure a very large screen and a complete audio solution in a single purchase. Regarding the build and design, the 75-inch display is a physically imposing piece of hardware that requires a significant amount of space. The television features what is often referred to as a bezel-less design, where the glass extends nearly to the edge of the frame to minimize distractions and maximize the screen-to-body ratio. This aesthetic choice helps the large panel blend more seamlessly into a room despite its massive 75-inch diagonal measurement. The chassis itself is slim for a television of this size, though it maintains enough depth to house the high brightness plus LED backlighting system. For those planning to use the included feet, a very wide media console will be necessary given the distance between the supports on a screen this large. Alternatively, the unit is compatible with standard wall mounts, which is often the preferred method for integrating a 75-inch screen into a modern living space. The accompanying S55H soundbar is designed with a complementary aesthetic, featuring a low-profile silhouette that is intended to sit neatly beneath the television without obstructing the bottom of the screen or the infrared sensor. As a 2.1 channel system, it includes the main bar and a subwoofer. The design of the soundbar is functional and understated, focusing on clear sound delivery rather than flashy physical elements. The integration of these two components is facilitated by the use of HDMI EARC, which allows for a single cable connection to handle high-bandwidth audio signals between the TV and the soundbar, reducing cable clutter behind the setup. When examining how this hardware performs, the visual experience is driven by the combination of 4K ultra-high-definition resolution and the quantum dot layer. At 75 inches, the impact of 4K resolution is particularly noticeable because the high pixel density ensures that images remain sharp and detailed even at a large scale. This provides 4 times the resolution of a standard high-definition television, which is crucial for maintaining clarity in textures, facial features, and distant landscapes. The QLED technology matters because it broadens the color palette, allowing for more realistic skin tones and more vibrant environmental colors in nature documentaries or animated films. This is further supported by the high brightness plus LED backlight, which provides the necessary luminance to make colors pop and to ensure the screen remains visible in rooms with significant ambient light. For high dynamic range content, the TV supports HDR Pro Plus, which includes major formats like Dolby Vision, HDR10+, HDR10, and HLG. This is important because it allows the television to interpret metadata from a variety of streaming services and physical media, adjusting the contrast and brightness on a scene-by-scene basis to preserve detail in both the darkest shadows and the brightest highlights. Motion handling is another critical area of performance, and this model utilizes a motion rate of 240 with MEMC frame interpolation. This technology is designed to reduce motion blur during fast-paced sequences, such as live sports or action movies, by inserting artificial frames to smooth out the transition between original frames. For gaming, the inclusion of the 120Hz game accelerator is a notable feature. While the panel itself may have a lower native refresh rate, the accelerator technology uses advanced processing to lower input lag and provide a more responsive feel, which is vital for competitive gaming or fast-paced titles where every millisecond counts. On the audio side, the S55H soundbar performs the heavy lifting for the sonic experience. The inclusion of Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X support is significant because these formats use psychoacoustic processing to simulate a three-dimensional soundstage. Even though this is a 2.1-channel system without physical rear speakers, the processing works to create a sense of height and width in the audio, making it feel as though sound is coming from around the listener rather than just from the front. The dedicated subwoofer provides the low-frequency effects that integrated TV speakers simply cannot reproduce, adding weight to explosions, musical scores, and deep voices. The software experience is centered around the Fire TV platform, which is integrated directly into the television. This provides a unified interface for accessing streaming services, live television, and applications without the need for an external streaming stick. The platform is designed for ease of use, with a heavy emphasis on content discovery and voice integration through the included Alexa voice remote. Users can search for shows, switch inputs, or control smart home devices using voice commands, which simplifies navigation on such a feature-rich device. The performance of the smart interface is generally snappy, allowing for quick transitions between different apps and settings. Because it is a 2024 model, the hardware is optimized for the latest versions of these streaming applications, ensuring compatibility with current high bitrate video streams. This specific television and soundbar bundle is best suited for individuals who want a theater-like experience in their home without the complexity or high cost of a custom professional installation. It is an ideal choice for families who spend a lot of time watching blockbuster movies or live sports, as the 75-inch screen size creates an immersive viewing area that can accommodate a large seating arrangement. The high brightness capabilities also make it a strong candidate for bright living rooms where sunlight might wash out a less powerful display. Furthermore, gamers will find the specific gaming enhancements and the large screen real estate beneficial for local multiplayer or cinematic single-player experiences. It is also a practical choice for those who appreciate the convenience of an all-in-one ecosystem, as the Fire TV integration and the matched soundbar ensure that all components work together with minimal configuration. In summary, the TCL 75-inch Q65 QLED with the S55H soundbar offers a balanced proposition of scale, visual technology, and upgraded audio. While it may not reach the extreme black levels of high-end organic LED displays, the use of quantum dots and high-brightness backlighting provides a vibrant and punchy image that excels in most everyday viewing environments. The addition of the 2.1-channel soundbar effectively rounds out the package, addressing the common weak point of modern flat-screen televisions by providing clear dialogue and impactful bass. For a price of approximately $650, this bundle provides a massive screen and a significant audio upgrade, making it a reliable and comprehensive choice for anyone looking to modernize their home entertainment setup with a single, coordinated purchase. It represents a thoughtful middle ground where size and feature sets meet a price point that is accessible to a wide range of people, focusing on delivering the most impactful parts of the cinematic experience directly into the home. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping.